Do you know? Uncontrolled bleeding accounts for 50% of combat deaths. And 86% of deaths occur within 30 minutes. When it is a matter of life and death, every second counts. Introducing Axiostat Z-Fold, a fast-acting hemostat dressing specially designed to use in a combat field to save lives. It has ultra-compact, low-cube, lightweight, and vacuum-sealed packaging. It fits inside any first aid kit and blends flawlessly in bulletproof jackets. Regardless of the terrain and environment, the rugged package of Axiostat Z-Fold stays damage-free, and it is easy to remove the tear notches quickly, even with just one hand. Be ready to save lives on the combat field with Axiostat Z-Fold. Axiostat Z-Fold is made of natural non-woven biomaterial 100% chitosan. It is biocompatible, easily removable, non-exothermic, and non-toxic. Axiostat Z-Fold is applicable for all types of wounds. Even in the case of a deep injury, one can cut, fold, and stuff it into the wound cavity. Let's take a look at the science behind Axiostat Z-Fold. The process of clotting begins when blood comes in contact with tightly packed chitosan fibers. Unlike dressings that are impregnated or coated with hemostatic agents, Axiostat Z-Fold is made of chitosan. Therefore, it absorbs the blood plasma 40x times its weight and accelerates the clotting. The painless removal of the Axiostat Z-Fold without disturbing the clot makes it perfect for combat field survival. To know more about combat casualty bleeding control, visit us at www.axiostatmilitary.com.